So today, what the fuck? Today we're DMing 100 Jamaican celebrities. Yeah, this is a totally original video idea. I ain't never seen nobody do this before. Like completely original. Yep. This is a completely original, and I ain't never seen nobody do this before. Like, it's different, bro. It's different. I have my own twist. It's 100 Jamaican celebrities, bro. Like I ain't never seen nobody do that before. Honestly, I don't even think I know 100 Jamaican celebrities. You know, we on the trap phone.
What is that?
Bro, like, yo, listen, don't judge me. I'm on the trap phone. Like, why you trying to play my phone, bro? Like, yo, come on, nigga. Stop trying to play my phone, nigga. Like, you know what I'm saying? So, like, first, nigga, we finna try to DM that nigga Briscoe. We hear that nigga new song, you know what I'm saying? Briscoe, we finna DM her right now. You know what I'm saying? If they don't respond, it's because, like, I got no motion, bro. Like, nobody know who the fuck I am, nigga. Like, the fuck? Who is you? Like, subscribe so I can get motion, bro. Subscribe, like the video so I can get motion, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? All right, what we finna say, Briscoe? We finna say, oh, why Russian ain't put you on the new redeem? Boom, we sent that shit to Briscoe. What we finna do next, bro? Alright, so next we got Angry Bird. Y'all gotta be an OG to know this nigga Angry Bird, bro. This nigga was from back then. This nigga was a nigga who was finna take your bitch, bro. Like, that nigga is one of the OGs, bro. So we finna tap in with Angry Bird right now. I don't know. I don't talk to niggas, so I don't know what should I say to this nigga. Honestly, I don't even know if niggas finna reply. I got no motion, bro. All of these niggas got like 10K plus. Like, probably some niggas even got 100. Yeah, some niggas even got a milli, bro. So like, I'm gonna say something like, "Ho, you know, here goes you." I get it. I don't know what to say. I'm gonna just send that shit. Cool. So next we got Culprit. We got the famous TikTokers. We just finna run through all the TikTokers that I can like think of that I see on TikTok. I'm finna run through all them niggas. Paul, nah, I didn't mean like that, bro. Paul, bro. I didn't mean like that. I didn't mean. Should I say this nigga? I ain't keeping up with them niggas, bro. Like, I'm not really Jamaican like that, bro. I don't be keeping up with them niggas. I'm like, bro, I don't really know niggas for real. I be like watching like Kai and them, like Kai and Duke and them, like that's what I be watching for real, bro. I ain't gonna cap, bro. I ain't gonna cap. Okay, I got an idea. Hold on. I got an idea. Hold on. Let me see. When the next TikToker meets, oh, that's what I'm pronouncing, nigga. All right, boom. Send that shit. Who? Bro, I don't even want to be like sending DMs to like girls and shit, cause like that gonna ruin my future rep, nigga. Like, hopefully they just don't see this shit, bro. Hopefully I just got no emotion enough for like just niggas to just not see this shit, bro. Cause like, yo, no, I don't know. Should I ask for a collab, bro? Yo, chat. This is why I don't want to DM any girls, bro. Cause like, I'm finna start taking this shit serious, bro. I was like, oh shit. You want to seem like no fan ass nigga at the same time, bro. Like, hold on, bro. Like, this is tough. Shit, nigga, this is so tough. I don't want to be in bitches' DMs begging for collabs, bro. Like, that's weird. This shit is hard. Bro, she probably not even gonna see it anyway. So, like, you know what I'm saying? We need a collab. Boom. We finna text bro guy. If you know who bro guy is, we finna text Andrew Holiness. Technically this nigga a mega farm, but yo, this nigga is verified. Yo, this nigga almost got a milli. Yo, motion, nigga. Motion. Hey, we finna text this nigga. I don't wanna be too immature. I don't think this nigga even checks the years. I don't even think he runs his own account. So I'm gonna just be like, yo, bro, yo, respect how you running the country. Free world boss. So type shit. So Valiant. Well, go say to Valiant. Valiant. You know, like him way. If you like him way, actually reply. Hey, that nigga is not replying to shit. That nigga is verified. That nigga almost got 500,000. That nigga is not replying, bro. I got that nigga with need to see you on Russian next reading. Boom. Like I wanna keep this shit authentic. I don't wanna like I seen a glitch of niggas asking for promos and that like get niggas to reply, but like I don't wanna do that, bro. I wanna keep shit authentic. I wanna like be me, you know what I'm saying? Like what's some shit I would actually say to the nigga? Moving on to Ron Perry. I feel like he low key one of the biggest like J8 YouTubers. So like that's pretty cool to be honest. Like trying to get like he got 100K. I need me and my 100K plat too, nigga. Let's go. I'm gonna tell that nigga, yo, we finna collab in the future, bro. Like, yo, we need to collab in the future. It's hard, bro. Like, yo, we really in the most ghetto ass setup and shit, bro. Like, yo, we really just here trying to make it work in like this ghetto ass shit, bro. And like, you know what I'm saying? We getting shit done. So, next we got Nigeria. So I'm finna troll a little bit. I'm finna be like, yo, love the new song, but shoulda have me in a boom. Something simple, something sly. Like I'll be like, it's hard to like think of shit to say to niggas. Like, do next rap Batman. I know rap Batman. I don't know if y'all see, but there was an incident, you know, couple weeks ago, where rap Batman threw allegedly goes powder on the crowd. We finna talk about that. He be like, hey, listen, I cannot take that nigga seriously, bro. Like, yo, that nigga have demons, but like, I cannot take that nigga seriously, bro. I done seen someone in the comments say, yo, a good little baby powder, the man died with the like, I could not take nothing from this nigga serious, bro. So like, yo, me here say yo true gozo powder and maker. Some stupid shit, bro. I don't even know what the fuck to say. Like, bro, next person, bro. I'm not trying to get good, bro. Like, next person. So next we have Chronic Law and fun little story. Like I said, oh, here and nada bigs say you don't trust your left foot. Trying to put left foot, yeah. Here say you don't trust your left foot, bro. Like, well, going for that. Mind you, I don't like know most of these artists like that. Like, I'm not an avid follower, as you can see. Like, I don't be following them niggas. So boom, we got Vibes Cartel. I know if y'all heard, if you live in Jamaica and you don't live under a rock, kind of like me, but like you would have heard that nigga Vibes Cartel gonna be free. So I'm gonna bring the nigga up. Wait, this nigga is 48. Damn. Yo, niggas is old as hell. I'm joking, bro. I'm such a cheesehead, bro. I'm done. What I'm gonna say to this nigga? Whoop ya. Get free soon, world boss. That's blazing, but like it's just for the DM, bro. Like I would never say that shit to a nigga in real life. Like yeah, I'd say he should get free, but like I'd never like glaze like that, bro. Like so we're on to Jeffrey. We've heard about the recent allegations. Allegations that I haven't personally seen them, so I cannot even speak on that. You know what I'm saying? Type shit. I've not seen personally. I haven't seen the interview, so like I cannot speak on that. But like for the video, I'ma just say yo, what that recent clip them about yo free kid boy. Like I said, bro, I would not actually like say this shit. Like I'm not this type of nigga, bro. But like, it's for the content. Look at that, just lose past that shit, but it's for the content. Cause like, you know what I'm saying? We're at YG Marley Carrier on Bob Legacy. So boom, we have Shensia. I say, yo, what's good? I hear you in my city. Like, bro, when it comes to like the girls, bro, I can't say nothing crazy because like that, like this shit's just bullshit, bro. I can't like say nothing crazy to the girls because like it just goes against my nature, bro. I can't do that shit. So we got Miss Twinkle, Jada, Jada baby, Jada Kingdom. So this is the honestly, this is crazy. If you know where this is from, shout out to you. But like, this is crazy when you realize that yo, Jada isn't even from Kingston. So it's like, next person at DM, Beer Things. No, this is controversial. Like, it's Beer Things. Actually, well, bro, who cares? It's my video. I do what the fuck I want in my video, nigga. Nigga got like 200K on the ground. That nigga a celebrity, bro. If a nigga's run that account, that nigga's a celebrity, bro. So like, boom. Right, we finna say, yo, keep up the clip work. Respect. Honestly, if I'm being honest, I feel like Beer Things is like one of the people who would actually respond. I don't know. I just feel like it's just a feeling, so like boom. So we got Miss Kitty right here, you know what I'm saying? This really an old head celebrity, bro. Like whoa, old head celebrity right here. Oh you have that baby so fast. I know what to say, like DMing people is crazy, bro. Like, y'all actually do this? I know I don't DM people, bro. I'm not a DM warrior. I don't slide into people's DMs, so I wouldn't know. But like, y'all niggas, I know y'all niggas do that. Like and subscribe so I can get some motion, bro. Like, let me get motion, bro, so like niggas can reply to me, bro. Like, just subscribe, bro. It's free. Like, you don't like free shit? Subscribe. Like, bro, like that's what I be saying, bro. Like, YouTube thinks you like the video on the screen right now. Are they right? I think they're right. So click the video, watch it. The fuck, you ain't got nothing better to do.